composite functions, we want to solve an equation that involves a composite function. Like I said before, that a composite function is a combination of two or more functions. We have two functions here, g of x and h of x, and we want to solve the equation g of h of x is equal to 51. How do we do that? You have two functions. You take the h function and impute into the g function, and the equation should be it should be equal to 51. So let's solve. Look at the h function. G of h of x is equal to g of what? 3x minus 5. And 3x minus 5 is the h function. I'm imputing it into the g function. The g function is what? X squared plus 2. So I'm going to take this g function into the f function. 3x minus 5 squared plus 2. And that gives me 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5 plus 2. Of course, 3x times 3x is what? 9x squared. 3x times minus 5 will give us minus 15x. And minus 5 times 3x is also minus 15x. So that gives us minus 30x plus 25 plus 2. And simplifying further gives us 9x squared minus 30x plus 27. To solve the problem, g of h of x is equal to 51. That means g of h of x equals 51 implies that 9x squared minus 30x plus 27 is equal to 51. This is a quadratic equation, so we're going to collect all terms to the left-hand side so that the right-hand side is equal to 0. So we'll have 9x squared minus 30x plus 27 minus 51 equals what? 0. To simplify this, we'll have 9x squared minus 30x plus 27 minus 51 would give you what? Minus what? 24 equals 0. Now look at this equation. All terms are divisible by 3. So we're going to reduce the equation by dividing all through by 3. So if I divide this by 3, I'll have 3x squared. Divide 30x by 3, I have 10x. And divide 24 by 3, I have 8 equals 0. So we're going to factorize this equation. We're going to look for two numbers that will give us a product of what? 24. And when we add them together, we're going to have minus 10. And what are those two numbers? Can you guess? Yeah. We'll have 12, negative 12, and 2. So 3x squared minus 12x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. 3x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4 equals 0. And then we factor out x minus 4. So x minus 4 as a factor, we'll have what here? 3x left, and then what do we have here? Plus 2 is equal to 0. If two terms give you a product of 0, that means either of the terms will be 0. So we have x minus 4 as 0, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 4, or 3x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2 over 3. So x is 4, or x is minus 2 over 3. That satisfies this equation, g of h of x is equal to 51. See you in the next class. Thank you.